Action 5 News Team Special Report. Hi, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Grant. We are here to talk to you about wind power and its benefits to clean and efficient energy.
Let's look at a brief history of wind energy. Wind has always been used in sailing, and around the 14th century, the Dutch used wind power to pump water from flooded fields with a windmill.
Wow, that really blows my mind.
Let's look at some pros and cons of wind power.
Things about wind power are that wind is free and can be captured efficiently. Wind energy does not cause greenhouse gases or pollutants, and wind turbines only occupy a small plot of land.
Some other great things about wind power is that the wind industry will be able to provide at least 12% of the world's future energy needs by 2020. Wind energy is a technology we can sustain over the long term that is renewable and won't pollute our air or water.
Now those are some great facts, but there is a negative side to wind energy. Tell us more, Chloe.
Well, Grant, as great as wind turbines are, they can be damaged in thunderstorms. Also, the turbines create noise from the turning of the blades and can also cause interference to nearby television reception.
So you're telling me that I could miss my cartoons in the morning? I'm not so sure how I feel about that one.
Yes, Grant, I know, it's quite upsetting. And that's not even the worst yet. Birds can fly between the blades and could potentially be injured.
Now that's just heartbreaking.
On a peppier note, I am now joined by Grant, who is visiting a windmill in Brainerd, Minnesota.
Hi, Chloe. Thanks for having me.
New innovations have come up and are making wind power more efficient than before.
That's right, Chloe. Windmills with tougher, lighter wind turbine blades have been developed with polyurethane reinforced carbon nanotubes. Researchers at the Western Reserve University have built prototype blades that are substantially lighter and 8 times tougher and more durable than currently used blade materials. The researchers found that carbon nanotubes are lighter per unit of volume than carbon fiber and aluminum and have more than 5 times the strength of carbon fiber and more than 60 times the strength of aluminum.
The top 5 states who are leading the U.S. in wind power usage are Texas, Iowa, California, Minnesota, and Washington. Combined, they provide 21,777 megawatts annually.
Now, a question that has wormed its way into my mind is wind power right for Vermont?
How interesting.
Obviously, wind power is popular and has a lot of fans.
Oh, you crack me up, Grant. Unlike previous years, wind power in Vermont is now more accepted due to high energy needs. It'll be no time before they're a common sight here in the Green Mountain State.
That's right, Chloe. In an article in the New York Times published October 5th of this year, in an article, "Is Wind Power Right for Vermont?" The Green Mountain Wind Power Project in Lowell, Vermont has unprecedented support. Vermonters overwhelmingly want wind. 75% of the voters in the town of Lowell supported the project, and 90% of Vermonters support wind. Many have thought that wind power would destroy Vermont's ecosystems, but the wind power company has decided to mitigate the effect of the 175-acre development. More than 2,000 acres of prime animal habitat will be conserved. Of the federal tax credits the project will receive, 100% will go directly to lowering the cost of power to our customers.
Thank you and good night.